Hi everyone, welcome back to our Power by Tutorial series. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful features you can use to make your dashboards truly interactive and user-friendly, setting interactions between visuals. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to control the way your charts, tables, and graphs communicate with each other, and that means you'll be able to craft more meaningful reports for yourself or your team. Let's get started right away. So first things first, open up your Power BI report and locate the visual you want to work with. Just give that visual a click to select it. Now look toward the top of your workspace. You'll notice a tab called Format. This is where all those customization tools are tucked away. Once you've clicked on Format, find the option labeled Edit Interactions. Go ahead and select it. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are visual interactions? Why should you care about them? In Power BI, visual interactions determine how your different visuals, like bar charts, maps, pie diagrams, you name it, react when you interact with another visual on your report page. Let's imagine you've got a sales dashboard. If you click on a region in your map, you might want the nearby bar graph to filter automatically to show sales just for that region, or maybe you'd prefer it didn't change at all. That's the kind of control visual interactions offer. Once you click Edit Interactions, you'll notice that each visual on your page now displays two little icons just above it. One looks like a funnel, that's the filter icon. The other is sort of a circle with a line through it, that means none. These icons let you decide, visual by visual, how each one should respond when you interact with another visual. Here, how this works. Let's say you want your chart to be responsive. If you select the filter icon, then whenever you click on something in your primary visual, say, a specific product category in a pie chart, your other visuals will automatically update to show data filtered just for that category. It's almost like telling your whole dashboard to zoom in and focus so it only shows you what you're interested in. This is super helpful when you're exploring data dynamically, looking for trends, or presenting findings to others. On the flip side, if you click the none icon, you're saying, hey, when I interact with my main chart, leave this visual alone. Maybe you have a summary card displaying total sales that you always want visible, regardless of what filters are applied elsewhere. Setting it to none makes sure it won't update or change when interactions occur. So each time you click something in your visuals, only the ones with the filter option selected will react, while the others remain static. Take a moment to play with these icons. Don't worry if you're not sure exactly which visuals should react yet. You can always come back and tweak this as your dashboard evolves. It might take a few tries to get the interactivity just how you want it. Remember, control isn't just about complexity. Sometimes simpler dashboards are better, so use these interaction settings to highlight what matters most to your viewers. And that's all there is to it. By understanding and setting interactions between your Power BI visuals, you're making your reports more interactive and insightful, putting you in the driver's seat of your data storytelling. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions about editing interactions or suggestions for future videos, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.